transforming your dim hallways, living spaces, or entire home overhead layout into a brilliantly illuminated, energy-efficient environment. Without wrestling with bulky housing, CANS usually means transitioning to an advanced, low-profile Canless Wafer lighting system. The Amico 12-pack 8-inch LED recessed lighting, Canless Wafer Downlight with 5 CCT selectable and metal housing, redefines modern ceiling illumination by combining high-output brightness, flexible color tuning, and hassle-free shallow ceiling installation into a comprehensive bulk kit. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-efficiency LED array paired with a dedicated thermal-protected junction box and 5-in-1 color temperature switching technology. Instead of struggling with fixed color fixtures that lock you into an undesirable tone or rigid traditional cans that require massive overhead clearance, this system delivers a robust 1,600 lumens of brightness while drawing only 18 watts, matching traditional high-output fixtures, all while fitting into tight spaces requiring as little as 2 inches of ceiling clearance. Performance and everyday versatility streamline whole-home lighting projects across living rooms, kitchens, basements, and offices. Outfitted with a convenient side-slide switch on each J-box, you can easily choose between 5 distinct color temperatures ranging from warm 2700K to daylight 5000K prior to installation. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by smooth 5% to 100% dimming capabilities to match any mood, an IC rating safe for direct contact with ceiling insulation, damp location ratings for versatile placement, and rigorous ETL and FCC safety certifications. Things to consider before you buy. Because these are large 8-inch wafer lights engineered to output a powerful 1,600 lumens per fixture, you'll want to map out your room's lighting layout carefully to avoid over-illuminating smaller spaces. Additionally, ensure you use the included 1:1 hole template to accurately cut your drywall, as the wide flange relies on precise sizing for a clean, flush ceiling finish. So, who is this really for? This 12-pack bulk recessed lighting kit is an absolute home run for homeowners, renovators, and contractors tackling a major lighting upgrade who want high-output illumination, customizable color temperatures, and simple spring clip installation without housing cans. If you are looking for tiny accent spotlights or miniature 2-inch architectural downlights for targeted cabinet displays, a smaller fixture footprint will better match your design goals. Is it worth the money if you value high lumen brightness, 1600 LM per light, backed by low 18W energy draw, 5 CCT color flexibility, smooth dimming down to 5%, IC-rated safety insulation contact, and a long 50,000-hour lifespan? It is a premier, cost-effective investment for modernizing your home's ambience.